Good evening, everyone. I'm Sumit Joshi. I welcome you all on the behalf of CreativeEdge. Today, we are going to discuss past year NIFT question paper. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel for more content related to design and architecture entrance exams. And follow us on Telegram and Instagram. The both channels link for both channels can be found out in the description box. Along with this, you can download free study material for design and architecture entrance exams, and link is there in the description box for the same. So let us start with the questions. So the very first question that was asked, and this was a controversial question, as the answer to this one should be one, and the answer is not given here, right? Using board mass rule, using board mass rule, we need to solve this one. 18 divide by 18 of means multiplication, bracket of division. So first we will be multiplying, of we will be using multiplication, then division. So 18 divided by 324 upon 18 divided by 18 into 18. So 18 divided by 18 is 1. So here this is 1 upon 18 in numerator, and here 18 divided by 18 is 1, and 1 into 18 is 18. So that is 1 upon 18 into 18. So that should be 1 upon 324. So most appropriate answer here is 1 upon 324. Many of you at first glance think that the answer to this one should be 1. This one should be 1, and this is not available here. So be careful. You have to follow the bracket of division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction rule, right? If you follow this rule, you will get 1 upon 324 as the answer. Okay. So let's move to next question. Sum of two numbers is 17, whereas sum of their squares is 145. Find the product of two numbers. It is quite simple. Say these two numbers, sum of these two numbers is 17, as well as sum of their squares is 145. So you just have to apply arithmetic expression, that is a plus b bracket square is equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. You have the value a plus b as 17, so the 17 square is equals to a plus b, a square plus b square is 145 plus 2 times a into b, right? So the 17 square is 289 minus 145 is equals to 2 times ab, that is 144 is equals to 2 times ab, or a into b is equals to 72. Answer to this one should be 72. I hope you are able to connect with this one. Next question. Find the value of 3 to the power 2 to the power 3 divided by 3 to the power 2 whole to the power 3. So here, if I say, I can rewrite it as 3 to the power 8. The first part is 3 to the power 2 to the power 3 divided by 3 to the power 2 whole to the power 3. So here, this is 3 to the power 2 into 2 to the power 3, right? So that 2 to the power 3 is 8. 3 to the power 8 divided by 3 into 2 into 3, because x to the power m to the power n is x to the power m into n, right? So this is 3 to the power 8 divided by 3 to the power 6. That gives you 3 to the power 2, which is 9. Answer to this one is 9. Next, 32.4 under root 32.4 divided by x gives you 0.18. So the value of x is. So if we square both sides, we'll have 32.4 upon x is equals to 0.18 square. And if we expand it, you'll have 324 divided by 10x is equals to 18 upon 100 into 18 upon 100. So 18 into 18 is 324. And this gets cancelled. If we cross multiply, we will have x equals to 1000, right? So answer here should be 1000. Find the greatest number that will divide 29343250 and will leave as remainder 11 in each case. So we need to determine HCF first, the greatest number that will divide. HCF of the both, right? HCF of both, and then add that number by 11, right? Okay. So 2934 and 3250. Alternatively, my suggestion here would be go for division. Directly, let's divide by 47. So 47, 2934. 47, 8, 7 times, 7 sevens are 49, 7 fours are 28 plus 4, 7 fours are 28 plus 4, 32. So not happening. 7 times, so let's go by 6 times. So 4, 6 sevens are 42, carry over is 4, 6 fours are 24 plus 4, 28. Difference here is 11, 114. 47, 2 times is 84, 94, and 3 times it will be twice. So this, if we divide it 2 times, so that will give you 94. Difference is 20. Remainder is not 11. So this is not at all useful. So now I'll be using, we can subtract 11 and check. So 2923. If I subtract 11 from here, so 3, 6 in the table of 7 or in the table of 9. So in 9's table, you'll find 6 7 times. So 79 into 7, 7 9s are 63. Carry over is 6, 7 sevens are 49 plus 6, 55. So this is how it should be. So let's check it whether it is 79 or 67. So let's try with 67 first. If I'm dividing it 4 times, 4 sevens are 28, 4 6 are 24 plus 2, 26. Difference here is 243, 67, 3 times, 3 sevens are 21, 3 6 are 18 plus 2, 20. So here difference is 42, not happening. So what else can we do here? We are left with 2 more numbers. Alternatively, you can divide this 3250. Greatest number that will divide these two numbers and leave remainder. So 3250 minus 11 is 3239. So 3239, 9 plus 2, 11, 3 plus 3, 6. 6, 11, 17, not happening. All these numbers are prime numbers. So I have to check it. 3239. So let's check with 53. 53, 6 times. 6 threes are 18, 6 fives are 30, 30 plus 1, 31. Difference is 5. 5, 9, 59. Not happening. So I should increase it to 67. If I am able to divide this using 67, 3239. Right. So 67, 5 times, 5 sevens are 35, 5 6 are 30, 30 plus 3, 33. So this is not happening. I should be dividing it 4 times, right? So 16 to 4, 240, 7 into 4, 28 to 40 plus 28, 2, 4 7 are 28, 4 6 are 24 plus 2, 26, 30 minus 8 is 5, 11 minus 6 is 5, 7 times. 7 sevens are 49, carry over is 4, 7 6 are 42 plus 4, 46. The difference is 90 here. Is also not happening. Though, if I multiply 67 with 47, next is 79, 3239. 7 fours are 4 nines are 36, 4 sevens are 28 plus 3, 31. Difference here is 7, 9, one time. So 79 should be the number. If I divide 7, 9, 2, 9, 2, 3, 3 times, not 4 times, 3 times. 9 threes are 27, carry over is 2, 9, 3 sevens are 21 plus 2, 23. Difference here is 12 minus 7, 5, 8, 5, and so 6 times, 7 times. 7 nines are 63, carry over is 6, 7 sevens are 49 plus 6, 55. So that's 79 is the right number, right? You can easily go by this method, subtract the 11 remainder part, and then go with options. LCM of these numbers has to be 60 because 60 contains all the numbers. 60 is 12 into 5, that is 2 to the power 2 into 3 into 5, right? And here, if we check all these numbers exist in this number, so our LCM should be 60. Excuse me. So 12.5% of a certain number is 32. What is 40% of that number? So if you go by fraction approach, 12.5% is 1 by 8. 1 by 8 of total is 32. So total will be 1 part is equals to 32. So total is 8 parts. So 8 parts will be 8 into 32, right? So that will be the answer. But we have to calculate 40% of that. So that is 2 by 5 of that, right? 2 by 5 for, or I can say 4 by 10. So 8 into 32 into 4 divided by 10. So 8 fours are 32, 32 into 32, 32 into 32 upon 10. So 32 square is 1024 divided by 10 is 102.4. Salary of a school teacher was increased by 25%. Later it was decreased by 25%. So initial, increased, and final. There are three parts of salaries. So initial salary say 25% was 4. In after increment it became 5. Then it was decreased by 25%, so 4 became 3 on ratios. 25% increases, 1 can increase on 4. So 1 increase of 1 over 4, that is 4 to 5. And 25% decreases, 1 decrement over 4, that is 4 to 3. So 5 into 4, scaling, 5 into 4, 20. So thus 5 into 3, 15, and 4 into 4, 16. So original was 16, present is 15, right? So this is 937.50. So multiplier will be 15 6 are 90. Carry over is 337. So 2 times carry over is 7, decimal 5 times. So multiplier is 62.5. So 62.5 16 times. 16 5s are 80, carry over is 8, 16 2s are 32 plus 8 40, carry over is 4, 16 6 are 96 plus 400. So it should be 1000. Original salary was 1000, present salary is 937.4. Next, a man sold a book at a profit of 25% of selling price. The percentage profit on his cost price of the book is, say, cost price, selling price, profit. So profit of 25%. If this was 4, this is 5. So profit of profit is equals to SP minus CP. SP minus CP. So SP minus CP is equals to 5. Definitely profit has to be more than 25%. So I can eliminate few options here. The first one, then it is profit of 25% of SP. SP का वैल्यू अगर 4 था तो प्रॉफिट का वैल्यू जो है वो 1 है. This is not 1. This is the profit is 1. So CP. So this 1 is equals to 4 minus CP. So CP should be 3. So 1 over 3 is 33.33%, or you can say 31, 33, 1 by 3%. I hope it is clear. See here, 25% of SP. So if SP was 4, so profit has to be 1, right? So 1 over, so this profit is equals to SP minus CP. So this 1, this is 4, this is CP that we need to determine on ratios. So the value of cost price at ratios is 3, and you are asked percentage only, so you don't need to have actual value. The average age of 10 men is increased by 2 years when one of them is 25 years age. 25 years age is replaced by a new man. The age of the new man is how much? If say the age of new man was also 25, then the average age of the group would have remained the same, right? But his including him, if he replaces the man, so still there are 10 men, but each is increased by 2 years. So 10 into 2, 20, and 25 is the original value. So 25 plus 20, 45 should be the right answer. अगर आप ऐसे नहीं समझ पा रहे हैं तो let me help you out, right? So say earlier average age was X, so total of 10 men, right? So total age earlier is 10x earlier. This was average, right? And this gets increased by 2. New average is x plus 2, right? So total age will be 10 into x plus 2. And this 10 into x plus 2 is equal to 10x minus 25 plus new person, right? So if I multiply here, 10x plus 20 is equals to 10x minus 25 plus new. So this 10x gets cancelled. This minus 25 on the other side will be get added. So new is equals to 25 plus 20. So that will be 45. Okay. So let's move to next question. Anita invested 8,000 at 7.5% per annum for 2 years, 4 months. How much interest she got at the end of the period? Right. If not mentioned, I'll be using it as simple interest. So principal is 8,000. Rate of interest is 7.5%, or you can say 15 by 2%, right? Time period is 2 years, 4 months. That is 2 years, 2, 1 by 4 years. That is 4 to the 8 plus 1, 9 by 2 years. 4 to the 8, 3 to the 6 plus 1, 7 by 2 years. Let me clarify here. So time period is given to us as 2 years, 4 months, right? So this 4 months when converted into year, 4 by 12 give you 1 by 3. So total time is 2 1 by 3 years, or 3 to the 1 plus 3 to the 6 plus 1, 7 by 3 years, right? So time period is also given. So we need to determine the interest. So that has to be simple interest because it is not mentioned. Otherwise, if none of the options is matching, I'll go for compound interest. Okay. So 8,000 SI is P into R into 3, T divided by 100. So 8,000 into 15 into 7 upon 2 into 3 into 100. This 100 gets cancelled. 2, 3, say this 15 gets cancelled 5 times. So this is 40. So 40 into 35. 4 5s are 20, 4 3s are 12 plus 2, 14, and one more 0. So 1400 is the answer. Next, in how many minimum number of complete years a sum of money put out at 25% compound interest will be more than doubled, right? So 25% is the rate of interest. Say at the end of first year, if I have invested rupees 5, so that will become rupees 4, that will become 5. Next year, this is the principal. So at the end of 2 years, the principal was 16, then the interest amount would have been 25. So that is not twice. So now 4 to 5, 16 into 4, 64, 25 into 5, 125. It is still not. So at the end of the third year also, I don't have money doubled. So it has to be 4 times. Say 64 into 4, 256, 125 into 5 is 625. So this is more than double. So 4 years should be the right answer here. A train of length x meter passes a man standing on platform in 7 seconds. If the speed of train is 72 kilometers per hour, find the value of x. So time is given to you. Length of train is x. Speed of train is 72 kilometers per hour. So let's convert it into meters per second. That is 72 into 5 by 18. I hope all of you know this. Good evening, Shine. That this is 1000 upon 3600 kilometer into meter, and this is hour into second. So this fraction on simplification gives you 5 by 18. This is 18 for the, so this is 20 meters per second. So speed of train is equals to length of train upon my time taken by train to cross the main, right? So this speed of train is 20, time is 7, so length of train should be 140 meters. So this should be the answer. Next, a man can row his boat with stream at 5 kilometer per hour and against a stream at 3.5 kilometer per hour. How much distance he can go in his boat in a lake, still water, in 2 hours, right? So upstream and downstream. Downstream is given to you as speed of boat minus speed of stream plus speed of stream. This is downstream, and upstream is speed of boat minus speed of stream. So this is given to you as 5 and this is given to you as 3.5. If we add both, we'll have 2 times speed of boat, that is 8.5, 4.25 kilometer per hour, right? In 2 hours, it will be covering 8.5 kilometers. Next, a man and a boy finish a certain piece of work in 20 days, whereas a man alone can do it in 25 days. It is found that man does the work x times as fast as the boy. Find x. So we have time, we need to determine rate and work. Men plus boy, only men, only boy. So time taken by men and boy together is 20 days. Men alone is 25. Take LCM of 20 and 25. So answer is 100, right? So here the rate is 5, here the rate is 4. So rate of boy is 1. So rate of men is 4 times as fast as the boy. So answer should be 4. How did we determine this boy? M plus B minus M. This is how we determine rate of this boy. Okay. All right, all right. Let's move to next question. In what proportion must sugar at 16.6 kg be mixed at sugar at 16.45 so that the mixture may be worth? So this is pure case of allegation. You have individual values as well as you have the average value. So take difference of these two. This is 0.06 and this is 0.09. So if we simplify, this is 3, this is 2. So the ratio should be 3:2, right? The ratio should be 3:2. Next, difference between highest and lowest two-digit numbers is highest two-digit number is 99, lowest two-digit number is 10. Difference is 89. As simple as that. Next, we have when 50 is added to the 50% of a number, then the new number becomes itself, right? Then the required number is definitely 100. See, 50% of a number is 1. If 2 is the number, 50% of the number is 1, right? So when this 1 is added with 50, we get 2. So definitely this value of 1 is 50. So 50 plus 50 is 100. So the original number is 100. Or you can say 50% of x plus 50 is equal to x. So this is x by 2 plus 50 is equal to x, or x minus x by 2 equals to 50. So 2x minus x upon 2 equals to 50. So x equals to 2 into 50. So x equals to 100. So this is what I just wanted to let you know. Simplify these ratios 5 by 6, 3, 3 by 4. First of all, simplify this mixed fraction. So 5 upon 6 ratio, 3 upon 8 ratio, 4 3s are 12 plus 3, 15 upon 4. Take LCM of these three, 6, 8 and 4. LCM of these three is 24. So multiply 24 in all these numbers. So 5 into 24 upon 6 ratio 3 into 24 upon 8 ratio 15 into 24 upon 4. So this is 6 times, this is 3 times, this is 4 times. So 5 into 4 is 20, 3 into 3 is 9, and 15 into 6 is 90. So 2990. Option number 2. Let's move to next question. Successive discount of 10% and 5% is equivalent to. So there are two, three methods to solve it. The very first is ratio approach. If our earlier price was 10, reduced price was 9. After that, earlier price was 20, reduced price is 19. So I'll multiply 10 into 20 as 200, 9 into 19 is 3, 19 nines are 19 nines are 9 nines are 81, 9 ones are 9 plus 8, 17, 171. So the discount is 29 over 200 into 100 because we need to determine it into percentages. So that is 14.5, right? Second method, Prachi, you can contact on the helpline number. We have this program available, and in fact, they'll help you out. They'll help you out, right? Alternatively, you can go for formula 10 plus 5 minus 10 into 5 upon 100. This formula is applicable only for two discounts, that is D1 D2 minus D1 into D2 upon 100, right? So that also gives you 14.5 comfortably. But I'll still recommend you to go by this ratio approach because even if there is third or fourth discount, you can keep solving and get the values, right? But that won't happen here with this formula. Let's move to next one. We need to determine the value of question mark here 11, 23, 35. 11, 23 difference is 12. 23, 35 difference is 12. 33, 35, 47 difference is 12 again. So 47, 15 and difference is 12 again. 59 plus 12, 71 it is. 71 it is. Next, U7ZV. So see the very first letter of each. U, V, W, X, Y. It has to be Z. So I can eliminate these two options. The very first letter should be Z. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Next has to be 2. So answer is option number 2. Next, A, 8, B, C, 7, D, E, 6, F, question mark. So A, C, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, G, H, G, H. I can eliminate these two. G, H, 8, 7, 6, 5. So GH 5, not 6, but 5. Next, 4, 10, we need to determine odd one out. Odd one out. Odd one out here. So 4, 10, 18, 22, 28, 34. So 4 can be written as 2 into 2. 10 can be rewritten as 2 into 5. 18 can be rewritten as 2 into 9. 22 can be rewritten as 2 into 11. And 28 can be rewritten as 2 into 2 into 7, right? And then 34 can be rewritten as 2 into 17. This 9 can be rewritten as 3 into 3. So there are 2's everywhere, then only prime number, right? 2, 5, 11, 7, 17. This is different, so answer should be 18. GH5, let's see once again. See here, A, B, C, D, E, F. So next has to be GH. So the numbers are decreasing 8, 7, 6. Next has to be 5, then 4, then 3. I hope this is clear now, right, Prachik? Next. So here this 18 should be the right answer. And next we have O, N, M, K. So the letters are in decreasing. So O, N, M, L, K. Or you can go this way K, L, M, N, O. First letters from this end to this end, right to left, increasing order. Then B, C, it has to be D, not C, D, E, F. So it has to be third one, M, C, 6, M, 6, C. Next question is you again need to determine the odd one out. A, P, L, Z, Q, K, Y, R, J, X, S, L, X, S, I, W, T, K, Y, V, U, G. Right. So A, Z, Y, X, W, V. A, Z, or you can say V, W, X, Y, Z, A. So from here we are increasing order. U, P, Q, R, S, T, U. So from here to here. So first letter right to left increasing. Second letter left to right increasing. First letter right to left increasing. Increased by one position. Middle letter increased by one position left to right. One position, one position. This is one. This is one position left to right, the direction of arrow. Then L, G, K, I, J. So L, K, J, I. It has to be H, not K. So answer is third one. Next, we have Akriti said to Meena Kumari that the person standing there is your mother's unmarried sister's only brother-in-law's son, right? So how that person is related to Meena Kumari? So everything is in relation to Meena Kumari. So say this is Meena Kumari, and then her mother, Meena Kumari's mother, mother, mother's unmarried sister, unmarried sister's only brother-in-law. So unmarried sister's only brother-in-law is mother's husband, right? And his only son. So Meena Kumari should be sister to that person, right? How Meena Kumari is related? So Meena Kumari is sister to that person. Next, we have L, M, N, O, P, Q are sitting in a row, all facing front. P, Q, P and Q are sitting in the center. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. L, M, N, O, P, Q. Right? P and Q are sitting in the center. So either this is PQ or this is QP. These are the two possibilities for placing, making PQ seated in the center. L and M are sitting at two ends. L, if L is here, M is here. If L is here, M is here. Right? N is sitting to the right of L. N is sitting to the right of L. This is to the right and this is to the left. So N is sitting to the right of L. So this possibility is eliminated. Who is sitting immediate left of M? L, M, N, O. It has to be O. Correct answer is O. Next we have, if in certain code flowers is written as SREWOLG and mountain is written, so FLOWERS is written as SREWOLG. So nothing reversed and the first letter is increased by 1. So reversed and increased the first letter by 1. So last letter has to be N. Start from N, end at N. This is not happening. Start from N, end at N. Happening, happening. This is NIA, 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 NIAT, NIAT, NU, NIAT, NU, NIAT, NU. So NIAT, NU not happening here. NIAT, NU not happening here. So answer is the third one. Arzu starts jogging from location A in south direction from 1 kilometer for 1 kilometer, then takes left turn. So this is north. If this is north, the opposite is south. Going clockwise from north at 90 degrees, we have east. So say this is the point. So from here, she Arzu jogs for 1 kilometer, then takes right. So if somebody is facing south, taking right will be going towards west, right? But earlier she is taking left, so she must go towards east. Travels east 3 kilometers. From a location A in the south, say this point is B and this point is C, this distance is 3 kilometers, right? From location C, she takes right, facing east, taking right is going towards south for 5 kilometers. So this distance is 5 kilometers. This is point D, not B, but D, right? After that, she takes another right, facing south, taking right is going towards east. Sorry, facing south, taking right is going towards west. And this times she travels 3 kilometers to reach destination E. So this is her destination E. This is 3 kilometers. So in which direction is A located? A's location. So A is towards north of point E. The answer is third one. Next, 4 tickets for a movie A and 5 tickets for movie B cost rupees 1540. 5 tickets for movie A, 4A plus 5B is 1540. And 5A plus 4B is 1460. So what is the cost of movie B? So let's eliminate A. If I multiply 5 here and if I multiply 4 here, so the value will be 20A, 25B, 1540 into 5 and 20A plus 16B, 1460 into 4. Subtraction taking place. Difference is 9B is equals to 1540. So I'll take 10 common. So that is 154 into 5 minus 146 into 4, right? So 154, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 5, 10. So that is not going to happen here. So it has to be in decimals. So B, 9B is equals to 10. 150 into 5, 750. 150 into 5 is 750. 750, 4 into 5 is 20. 770. So this is 770 minus 140 into 4. 560, 6 into 4, 24. 560 plus 20, 580, 584. So here 584 plus 16, 600, 170 plus 16, 186. So 9B or B is equals to 10 into 186 divided by 9 or 1860 divided by 9. 9 to the 18. 9 to the 18, 0, 6. So 206, only option fourth, right? So that completes our session. Prachi, if you have requested this one once again, so here it is. So the Arzu moves from point A to B 1 kilometer towards south, and then she takes left. She takes left, so she'll be moving towards east 3 kilometers. Then she takes right, so she'll be moving towards south once again. And then she takes right again, so she'll be moving towards west, right? Facing south, taking right as towards west. So here is point E. So this distance is equal, and this line is parallel. So this line is also parallel. If you wanted to calculate distance, this will be 5 plus 1, 6 kilometer. And we have to look from point E towards point A. So that is 6 kilometer in the direction of north. So additional, I have told you. I hope this helps you out, and all those who are going to see it in non-live mode, they also can pause the video, solve question, then check for answer. This could be a good practice. And if you need to explore more study material, you can download the study material from our website, and link will be provided in the description box. If you are new to the channel, subscribe our YouTube channel, follow us on Instagram and Telegram for more content related to design and architecture entrance exams. So thank you guys. Thank you for tuning in. See you in our next session.